Hello again, Pietro here. So I have a problem. Well, I have lots of problems, but the problem is working from home. I ran into a little snag with my port adapter, and this is what we're filming on today, the Insta360. I'm going to try to do the entire video from this tiny little thing. So here is my little setup, and I'll describe the problem right here. So laptop, right? Normal, not a big deal. This is my circular ring charger. But this is the problem. See, right here, if you look at that, see this? This thing gets really hot. Then I have to connect the cables, and then it's messy, isn't it? I think it looks messy. And here's the other issue. I connect it. It should connect that monitor to the laptop, and it doesn't. It's shorted out. This is 2 years old, and Anker already placed it once, so I have to unplug the HDMI, plug it in again, and now watch. Then it connects. That's just unacceptable. Ergo, vis-a-vis, we have this. Let's unbox it. Where should we? We haven't unboxed. We're just going to unbox right here. Yeah, right there. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Whoops. Inside the box is a package. This is from Hyper. Get More. Sanho Corporation, Fremont, California. That's cool. So we have a magnetic wireless power bank and a Hyperdrive USB-C. So we should just be able to go. Wow. Okay. Fun things come in small packages, right? So there's the Hyper Juice. But this is going to solve my problem, I think. I hope. So it's like this little stand, and it's a 7-in-1 USB-C hub laptop stand. So it's both. So we have two-part problem here. One, this thing is old. Two, the fan in my Logitech cooler doesn't really work because it's USB-A. So we take this apart. We disconnect this, disconnect that, and that, and that. Throw away, get rid of. That's looking a little better, and done with that. So now, we unbox it. Oh, tape. That is, there we go. Whoa, that's pretty cool. You see it? Oh yeah, I could travel with that. So let's see. How does one? Okay, that's cool. And then, oh, hopefully this is coming through. Otherwise, I'll just have to refilm it. So now that goes like so. Nice. I am liking that already. So now I've combined two different devices, the hub and the stand. 4K all in one. So there's really not much in there. So we can just put that in the box. Nice. Look how good that looks. Oh, those are my kneecaps. Okay, so now we can just slide that through. And then here is the HDMI port that will plug in right there. And then this is for the keyboard. Logitech. Come on. There we go. Okay, and now we need to connect these two things. So, how am I supposed to connect that? They did not include a cable. 7-in-1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, wait. There it is. That's cool. So you want to take off the laptop. Then you want to close the knife. Right here on the bottom is the cable. That's nice for storage. And then it looks like that could be a power adapter right there as well. That is pretty cool. I like that. So now this goes like so. That opens up. This just goes right there. Moment of truth. Should connect to, yes. 2 problems solved just like that. And now we just have 1 cable running out of there. And then I will power up the laptop. So now when I want to work, keyboard's working. Oh, I have to allow the new accessory. You see that? That is very important. Allow. So now mouse. The mouse. Oh. I need 1 more USB port. But I can just keep that connected. So now the mouse goes right in there, like so. And the keyboard, yeah, keyboard's working, didn't have to do anything. And the mouse is glowing red. We're in business. So I'm gonna, doesn't that look so much better? So I have lots of air coming underneath the MacBook Air. I got the power, 1 cable, I can tuck that in. That looks so much cleaner than it did before. I'm happy with that. Huh. Hyper juice, no? What was that called? Just Hyperdrive, my apologies. Well, I bought it. They didn't sponsor the thing, so they're not gonna be offended. I watched this video where someone mispronounced the word Aura ring. Instead of Aura ring, they said something else, and the company got really upset. But Hyperdrive, thank you. And we'll unbox the Hyper Juice at a later time. And that's it. I'm going to use this, and I'll report back in 6 months or so. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. Let's see, how can we end this? Give you a little look-see underneath. See you in 88 hours or sooner.